Fenugreek is a spice and herb that's largely found in Indian, Middle Eastern, and African cuisine. You can do much more with this spice than simply cook with it in powder form. Some benefits of fenugreek are based on new research, while others have more detailed studies and scientific evidence to support them. In any case, we'll be covering them all to give you an idea of just how impactful this underrated spice can be. At the end of the video, we'll also show you how to find other amazing plant-based remedies. So stay tuned to learn all about the numerous health benefits of this fascinating herb. 1. May boost male reproductive health. There's a product on the market today called Testofen, which contains an extract found in fenugreek. According to the manufacturer, it can boost testosterone and sexual desire and may even increase muscle mass. There's evidence to support these claims, too. One study of men who took a standard dose of Testofen on a daily basis found that the men experienced a boost in sexual arousal, energy, strength, and sexual function. Another extract from fenugreek seed powder has also been linked to an increase in testosterone. 2. May boost female reproductive health. It's not only men who can benefit from fenugreek when it comes to reproductive health. Research also links fenugreek to an increase in both sexual desire and sexual function in women. A study found that women who supplemented with fenugreek extract boosted their levels of testosterone as well. 3. Reduces painful menstruation and PCOS. Polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS for short, is a hormonal condition that can result in painful menstruation, unnatural hair growth, and even infertility. It's thought that a compound in fenugreek seed powder can improve PCOS symptoms, with one study finding that women who supplemented with a type of fenugreek extract saw a reduction in the size of their ovarian cysts. Fenugreek might help in general to treat menstrual pain even in women who don't have PCOS. A study found that young women who took fenugreek powder during menstruation had less pain after treatment compared to those who'd taken a placebo. 4. May increase milk production in breastfeeding. There's evidence to suggest that the use of fenugreek seed extract really could work to stimulate milk production in new mothers. A study reported that women who drank fenugreek tea produced around double the amount of milk than the women who didn't, which even improved weight gain of their babies. However, research on this subject is limited, and it's best to discuss your concerns with a qualified medical practitioner if you're struggling with milk production. 5. Improves heart health. In a study of type 1 diabetics who used fenugreek on a daily basis, it was recorded that the participants saw a number of benefits compared to those who didn't add fenugreek to their diets. Namely, fenugreek was found to reduce total cholesterol levels, including LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides. A study on rabbits also found that those that ate fenugreek seed extract had lower cholesterol levels of a staggering 50% when compared to those that ate no fenugreek. Another part of the fenugreek plant, the leaves, have shown promise when it comes to lowering bad cholesterol and even increasing the levels of HDL, good cholesterol, that's needed for overall heart health. 6. Fights obesity. Of course, the only way to beat obesity is to exercise and eat well, but certain foods can help you lose weight at a faster rate. Research has found that fenugreek tea can leave people feeling satiated for longer and give them an increased feeling of fullness after a meal. For that reason, the satiating effects of fenugreek may be useful for people who are looking to cut down their calorie consumption. A study on rats found that those that ate fenugreek had a lower BMI and didn't gain as much weight as the rats that didn't eat the seeds. Interestingly, the fenugreek-eating rats also had lower blood sugar levels and fat levels, as well as improved cholesterol levels. 7. Reduce blood sugar levels. If you have type 2 diabetes, or you've been told that you're at risk of diabetes, there's evidence to suggest that a natural diabetes management may be fenugreek seeds. A study on non-insulin-dependent diabetes patients found that those who took fenugreek supplements had lower blood sugar levels compared to those who didn't. Blood sugar isn't the only aspect of diabetes that fenugreek can assist with either. Fenugreek may also improve insulin sensitivity, and this, of course, is linked to lowering blood glucose levels. More research is needed, but what we know so far about fenugreek's ability to reduce blood glucose levels is promising. 8. Promotes thick, strong hair. Most people love the idea of having thick, healthy-looking hair. And if you're a fan of natural hair care remedies, you probably will have come across fenugreek seed extract in a number of guides online. Both the leaves and seeds of fenugreek can be combined with water to produce a paste which can then be applied to the scalp like a hair mask. Though there aren't many studies to support the hair health benefits of fenugreek as a traditional remedy, fenugreek powder is used to boost hair growth, prevent dandruff, and prevent graying. Additionally, fenugreek powder is a good source of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, both of which have been found to reduce hair shedding and promote thick, strong hair. 9. Improves skin health. Your skin can also benefit from the topical use of fenugreek powder. Fenugreek can be used to make a natural skin cream, and a study noted that a lotion containing fenugreek could increase skin hydration while decreasing bumps and spots. It's thought that this is because fenugreek seeds contain a substance that adds moisture to skin without irritation. A study of skin cells found evidence that suggests that fenugreek can help reduce skin damage. When skin cells were exposed to fenugreek saponins, they experienced less damage from UV light. Just make sure to check with your doctor if you're prone to allergic reactions, as fenugreek can produce allergy symptoms in some people. 10. Maintains digestive health. Several studies have found that fenugreek seed extract and oil can reduce ulcers and reflux, two common digestive problems that can cause long-term pain and discomfort. Though we don't have much information on how it may affect overall digestive health, fenugreek has been used for centuries in Eastern medicine as a digestive remedy. Typically, the seeds are used to prevent diarrhea and flatulence, and this is likely because they contain a whole host of beneficial nutrients that are a great source of fiber. 11. Improves kidney function. Our kidneys need to function properly to be able to filter the blood and support detoxing. According to a recent study, fenugreek seeds can increase red blood cell count and decrease calcium salts, helping to support kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Other studies suggest that fenugreek can increase antioxidant levels while decreasing oxidative stress. The seeds have also been linked to improved quality of kidney tissue and even a normal kidney weight. 12. Reduces inflammation and oxidative stress. Anti-inflammatories have numerous health benefits, and the more anti-inflammatory foods we can add to our diet per day, the better. Fenugreek is a fantastic anti-inflammatory food and can reduce free radicals and boost antioxidants in the body. 13. Manages osteoporosis. A compound in fenugreek has been linked to a reduction in osteoporosis development. Osteoporosis is caused by hyperactive bone cells that are responsible for breaking down bone tissue. It's thought that fenugreek seeds may be able to reduce or even prevent the development of osteoporosis by inhibiting it. To make the most of this powerful anti-inflammatory natural medicine, it's best to drink a mug of fenugreek tea once a day. You can buy fenugreek from your local supermarket or online, so it's not a problem if the fenugreek plant isn't native to your region. Everyone around the world can benefit from this healthful spice. If you've enjoyed this video and want more plant-based remedies, then check out The Lost Book of Remedies. It's a hugely popular book on the healing power of plant medicine, and you can check our review or watch a video explaining more about the book by clicking on the link within this screen or in the description below. You won't be disappointed.